Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm. I said that I would do a video on why we were on traveling adventure last week, and well, we got some emus. So we got 4 of them total. We got them in New York last week, and that's why we were on the road for our last week's Q&A. And obviously this one likes treats. So we got 4 of them. There's 3 in here while we build a larger fence. It's about to be laying season for them, so we might keep them in here during that. And as you can tell, they really are very motivated by food and very pushy. They're very pushy. But I will bring one close up to you. You can see they love apples. I think they like Cheez-Its. We've never tried it, but we're going to try it out. They can pinch you a little bit, but they're not too bad. They also love carrots. They're fairly friendly. These 2 back here are still a little pushy. The 4th one that we got was actually injured when we got there, and we just didn't feel like we couldn't leave it behind. So that one's more in a quarantine section up by the house. It is doing much better. In fact, we're thinking about bringing it back here with the rest of them sometime this week. So they're about 6 feet tall. So they're a little bit larger than the Coturnix quail that I'm used to. But they're still pretty and fun. I don't know if you can see their feet, but man, they are dinosauric-like. They're really cool. So, all right, last one, and then some. The other ones get some. Wow, can you just chill? So anyways, that's what we were doing last week. Jenna's wanted emus for quite a while. We found a great deal and couldn't pass it up. So that's what we were doing last week. Remember, every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go live on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm. I'll be going live tonight. And tonight, I'm going to be doing an egg availability update to let everyone know when jumbo whites, jumbo Egyptians, sex links will be back on. Also, we will give you some information about jumbo white wings, jumbo wilds, and some live quail that's coming up. Also, we're going to be doing our giveaway for the 18 and under contest, so you really don't want to miss it. I hope to see you there 7 o'clock Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on our YouTube channel. So we will send off seeing if I can feed another one. The other ones are a little bit more timid. Nope. This one's not, though. And the one up front that we are healing back to health is probably the friendliest pet that we have. So that's really cool. And these are coming around. This one obviously is not scared of us anymore, and those 2 they're getting closer. So anywho, that's what we were doing. That's the new addition to the farm. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our YouTube channel. Thanks, everybody.